In this activity, you will practice skills necessary for navigating the Cisco IOS. Part 1, Basic Connections, Accessing the CLI and Exploring Help. In Part 1 of this activity, you connect a PC to a switch using a console connection and explore various command modes and help features. Step 1, Connect PC1 to S1 uses a console cable. Click the connections icon, the one that looks like a lightning bolt, in the lower left corner of the packet tracer window. Select the light blue console cable by clicking it. Click PC1 and select RS232 connection. Drag the other end of the console connection to the S1 switch and click the switch to bring up the connection list. Select the console port to complete the connection. Step 2, Establish a terminal session with S1. Click PC1 and then select the desktop tab. Click the terminal application icon. The setting for bits per second is 9600. Click OK. Somewhere on the display there should be a press return to get started message. Press enter. Step 3, Explore the iOS help. The most basic form of help is to type a question mark at the prompt to display a list of commands. At the prompt, type T, followed by a question mark. There are 3 commands: display, telnet, terminal, and traceroute. At the prompt, type TE, followed by a question mark. There are 2 commands: display, telnet and terminal. This type of help is known as context-sensitive help, providing more information as the commands are expanded. Part 2, Exploring exec modes. In Part 2 of this activity, you switch to privileged exec mode and issue additional commands. Step 1, Enter privileged exec mode. At the prompt, type the question mark. The enable command will turn on privileged mode. Type N and press the tab key. The tab key can be used to complete the partial command. If the characters typed are enough to make the command unique, as in the case with the enable command, the remaining portion is displayed. If you type TE tab at the prompt, it won't display anything because the characters typed are not unique. Enter the enable command and press enter. You will turn on the privileged mode. When prompted, type the question mark. Now there are 5 commands starting with the letter C. You could type C question mark to list just the commands beginning with C. Step 2, Enter global configuration mode. Type the configure command and press enter. Press the enter key to accept the default parameter enclosed in brackets terminal. This is called global configuration mode. This mode will be explored further in upcoming activities and labs. For now, exit back to privileged exec mode by typing End, Exit, or Ctrl-Z. Part 3, Setting the clock. Step 1, Use the clock command. Use the clock command to further explore help and command syntax. Type show clock at the privileged exec prompt. Set the clock using the clock set command. Enter a time of 3 o'clock p.m. by using the 24-hour format. Attempt to set the date to January 31, 2035 using the format requested. It may be necessary to request additional help using the context-sensitive help to complete the process. Type the following command, clock set 15 hours January 31, 2035. When finished, issue the show clock command to display the clock setting.